Tell us a little about that first movie and your and whether you thought that it's going to go so far.
Lot of people ask me why this name Prem has come across. Actually, there is no big story behind it. I had written the script and I had written hero, heroine, hero, heroine. Now we had to name the hero. So we said नाम क्या रखे. उस गानों में संजय चलते थे, पंकज चलते थे, वो दौर था, राजेश और नाम थे. So we looked back, तो उस समय हमारी सबसे बड़ी हिट थी दुल्हन वही जो पियामन भाई एट राष्ट्रीय. तो उसमें हीरो का नाम प्रेम था. तो वी थॉट चलो हीरो का नाम प्रेम ले लो, उसी बहाने उसी लक चाम के साथ अपनी पिक्चर भी निकल जाएगी. तो वहाँ से वो प्रेम लाया. बट उस समय लॉट ऑफ पीपल सेड ये प्रेम कोई नाम रखते हैं कि इट इज कंसिडर वेरी लो शैलो. खानदानी में प्रेम एंड प्रेम चोपड़ा जी, प्रेम नाजी, दे ऑल विलन्स. सो आई रिमेंबर वी पुट इट ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ लक चाम. That is the only way. I had no thesis, nothing. But it's that one name and then one character. I write, he works, he portrays, he says it in a different way. That has been the journey.
You went quite against the norm in a number of things. I mean, you were trying very hard to make sure that this was going to be very different from what I hear completely, sir. So you must have been very relieved also when it did well. Okay.
Throughout this whole journey, 27 years, we've also lost, Lakshmikant Berde. We've lost Mr. Ajit Bachchani.
We lost both our DOPs.
DOPs, Mr. Rajan Kinagi, Lad Saab. So, that. In fact, Jai Master. It was, I was supposed to, this is before the film started, I was supposed to meet Jai Buradi, the dance director of Maine Pyar Kiya. So I'm coming back from town one day and I see this one guy with these two guys on a scooter, Laminator, remember, and they overtake me and they go ahead. So I look at him, he's wearing a vest, and the guy behind also is wearing a vest. Big, solid looking, rough guy. So Sangeeta and me were, driving back. So suddenly I see a huge lot of people there, ek bheed ikhatti hui wahan par. So I drive by slowly and I see that man that we saw on the scooter was fallen down. Then people just looking, standing, not doing anything. So I stopped the car. I remember Anna Singh also was there. So I sent Sangeeta in Anna Singh's car. I went down, got off of my car. I picked both those guys. I remember one guy was slightly okay. But this guy was the guy who was riding the scooter. His whole head has split from here to here. His eyebrow was latgoing here. His knee was gone. His shoulder was, had come off. And he was unconscious. So I picked him up, put him in the car, I put the other guy. I remember my uncles from my mom's side, they live in Mahim. They're all doctors and all, so they play carom in the nights. So they were playing carom, I didn't know that, so I went to the house in Mahim, to my nani's house, and I said, Dilip uncle, look at this guy, he's all, this is a case that we will not be able to take care of, you take him to Baba Hospital. So I took him to Baba Hospital, because, at that point in time, you would get into trouble if, if you took somebody to the hospital. वो सब वो चक्कर था कि आप पहले, घसीटे के अंदर आ जाते थे उस वक्त. So I took him to Baba Hospital. They asked me a few thousand questions, वगैरह जो भी था. And so suddenly this, while driving there, this man gets up. He says, "Brother, my name is Jai Burade. I'm a dance director." So I said, "Shit, I'm supposed to meet you tomorrow." They say, "Yo, Salim Khan's son, Salman." They say, "Yeah." "Oh wow, what a way to meet." Damn. ऐसे पिक्चर शुरू नहीं हुई, ये हमारा डांस डायरेक्टर खत्म हो गया. और मैं बोला बाप रे बाप. Anyway, so
I remember you calling me. Yeah. That are we meeting him tomorrow? I said yes. I have already met him. He's in front of me.
So anyway, I took him. He said, "Brother," and then he gets up. होश वहाँ पर आता उनको जब 5:30-6 बजे को वो टाके वाके लग गए पूरे. And I take him home. His wife opens the door. आइए. तो ऐसे मासी जी क्या रोज का है? So she does that. Anyway, he removes a quarter and he starts doing the short division of the songs of मैंने प्यार किया. तो ऐसे कमाल है यार. So then I call him up in the morning. I said, "Your dance director is working with, I think, some 150 stitches on his head. Then what happened? Then I told him the whole incident. So then he came to his house. Then they started, and he also, if he's working, then he's also working. Then I'm sitting down there. Now they're doing short division. Now, in 2 vodkas, or I don't know what he was drinking, that he forgot his pain or whatever, utara ho gaya. So now he's only working there. Cut to, we started Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. Then he did Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, Hum Saath Saath Hain with us. And then I got to know that he was unwell, so we helped him out. They removed a huge cancer from his stomach. Nice. I like. So we removed that whole cancer. He was fine. And then one day I get a call from his son that we were at Mount Mary at that ashram here, and dad is no more, and we're taking him to Baba Hospital. So I said, I'm on my way there only. And it was like a lot of traffic was there. So I remember that I was right next to the house only. I was going home. This is next to Mehboob Studio, right outside. There's a lot of traffic. I remember Arjun Rampal was also stuck in that stuck in that traffic. So I got off the car. I started walking towards home, and I passed an ambulance. And something, you know, like how in movies you feel that something is that you feel some connect. So I walked ahead, and suddenly I hear his son Vicky saying, "Salman bhai." And I said, "Oh shit, it is him." I turned back, and it was Jai Burade lying there in that ambulance. So I opened the ambulance ka darwaza, I sat in it. So just imagine, 27 years ago, my first meeting with Jai Burade was taking him to Baba Hospital. The last meeting, the roundup was taking him back to Baba Hospital. 27 years later. I mean, what are the odds of something like this happening?